Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading comprehension lesson? Let's start. Pat has a kite. It is big and colorful. Its colors are blue, red, and yellow. The kite can fly high. Pat will fly his kite at the park. Again, Pat has a kite. It is big and colorful. Its colors are blue, red, and yellow. The kite can fly high. Pat will fly his kite at the park. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's have a short quiz. Are you ready? Let's start. Who has a kite? The correct answer is Pat. Let's read this part again. Pat has a kite. Again, who has a kite? The answer is Pat. Pat has a kite. Is the kite big and colorful? The correct answer is yes. It is big and colorful. Again, is the kite big and colorful? The answer is yes. The kite is big and colorful. What are the colors of the kite? The correct answer is blue, red, and yellow. Let's read this part again. Its colors are blue, red, and yellow. Again, what are the colors of the kite? The answer is its colors are blue, red, and yellow. Can the kite fly high? The correct answer is yes. The kite can fly high. Again, can the kite fly high? The answer is yes. The kite can fly high. Where will Pat fly his kite? The correct answer is at the park. Let's read this part again. Pat will fly his kite at the park. Again, where will Pat fly his kite? The answer is Pat will fly his kite at the park. Children, did you get all the correct answers? Good job! Children, remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lessons.